Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Potomac Park local and long-distance movers near me. When it comes to moving within Potomac Park, 3 Movers is your trusted local moving company. Our team of experienced professionals understands the ins and outs of the city, ensuring a smooth transition to your new home. One of the key advantages of hiring a local moving company like 3 Movers is our familiarity with the area. We know the best routes to take, avoiding congested streets and minimizing travel time. Our Potomac Park local TM movers are well versed in navigating the narrow residential roads and parking restrictions that may exist in certain neighborhoods. This local knowledge allows us to provide efficient and timely moving services, saving you valuable time and reducing the stress of your relocation. If you're planning a long-distance move from Potomac Park, 3 Movers has the expertise and resources to make your relocation successful. We take extra precautions when packing and securing your items for the long journey ahead. Our Potomac Park long-distance 3 Movers are skilled in properly wrapping and protecting delicate or fragile items, ensuring they remain intact during transit. We use high-quality packing materials and techniques to minimize the risk of damage and ensure your belongings arrive at your new destination in pristine condition. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Potomac Park moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.